How to make money with JumpTask for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with earning money on JumpTask. So what is JumpTask and how does it work? Well, instead of wasting your free time like me, you can get started with playing games, taking surveys, and exploring some really easy and simple ways to earn money with JumpTask. JumpTask allows you to earn money with simple tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, playing a game, testing products, making translations, training AI, and doing things like social media tasks, or even taking a look at some of their other micro tasks. Now, the way it works is that when you are going to complete a small task, you're going to get paid according to the task guidelines. They're going to tell you what you need to do, how you need to complete it, and you can easily transfer your earnings onto your crypto wallet. Creating a crypto wallet is completely free, so you don't have to worry about that either. So let's get started with JumpTask. Now, the reason why so many people love JumpTask is that the tasks barely take you like 5 minutes, and when I'm usually just watching a YouTube video, I like to complete surveys, and that just helps me in making some passive income. And you can make money anytime, anywhere, if you're on the train, if you're going home, with your simple tasks. So to get started, head on over to jumptask.io and click on Start Making Money. Once you do that, you're going to create your account. So you're going to click on Sign Up, and you can sign up with Facebook, Google, or Apple, whatever you prefer. And then you're going to continue on to your account over here. Now, once you do that, you guys will see the first method to earn a reward is to simply follow JumpTask on Twitter. You can click on Get Started, and you're going to agree to their terms of service, and then you can proceed. Now, you can get started with some of their suggested tasks. So if you join this channel on Telegram, you earn 2 cents. Then if you follow this channel, you can earn $0.01. And if you click on Earn on the top left, you will see several different partners that are available and several different types of tasks. This includes things such as social media tasks, watching and earning, quick tasks, as well as surveys. Now, keep in mind that certain tasks are locked, and this is because they want to ensure that the people that are completing these tasks are legitimate people. So they lock certain partners and tasks until you start earning. So after you complete 1 or 2 tasks, you would unlock the other tasks as well. Personally, I love things like following and watching videos and filling out surveys because they are so passive and so easy. But I think I like this one. Watch YouTube and earn. Search for how to make money online, find a video called this like so, watch it on 1x speed, and then click like. Note, do not comment anything, you won't be rewarded if you do. After watching, click on the last link in the offer description to get your reward, and all you have to do is just complete the video, like it, and then click on the link. Then if you look at this other one, you will see multiple different types of YouTube watching or viewership rewards. All of them have their own policy or their own rules and regulations, which you have to abide by. And when it comes to social tasks, you have things like following multiple different platforms on X. Most of them I do see are for X, but you get things like Discord and Telegram as well. You also have Discord, you can search for that. You can even search for Cupid's List, Finance, Watch and Profit, Quick, Jump Tasks as well. Then you have your Web3 missions where you can join Web3 communities and contribute to their growth through your dedication. You also have a leaderboard to see who has earned so much, how much within the past week. So within the past week, this person has earned $42, this person has earned $36, so on and so forth. Now, not only are you going to have this amazing platform, which is supporting you in earning passively, but you can even get started with staking. You even have Honey Game, which is a passive income app which you can create your own account on, and you can enable the JumpTask mode on the Honey Game app, and you can start earning from there as well. Then you also can earn via referrals. So if you refer someone, you can get a 10% lifetime bonus for every task your referrals complete forever. So you basically get a 10% commission on their total earnings. And you even have bonuses from codes. So you can get bonuses from different codes available. And then you have your general help section. Now on your top right, you have your profile and expect your rewards within 72 hours of completing your tasks. Now, this is something that a lot of people get concerned about. They think, hey, I just completed my task. Why isn't the reward showing up? And don't worry, your rewards are going to show up. It's never happened to me where I have actually completed a task and my rewards don't show up. It just takes a little bit of time for the rewards to show up, and you will have your payouts, recommended tasks, and more. Then on your left, you have your activity, your wallet, your rewards. And you might say, hey, I've started earning rewards on JumpTask, but how do I, withdraw these onto my own account? Well, you can click on Connect Wallet and you can connect with a crypto wallet. Now, in this, you have accessibility to over 470 wallets, so all the popular wallets are going to be enabled. You have Wallet Connect, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Binance Wallet, Coinbase, Trust Wallet, all of the popular crypto wallets that you might be using, any one of those. If you are using that, you can easily just connect it and have your payouts be withdrawn. Now, there is another question that a lot of people ask is, how many dollars can I take out? So do I have to wait until I have like $100 or $200? Well, don't worry. All you need to do is have a earning of 0.5 JMPT. JMPT is going to be the token, the JumpTask token that you're going to receive instead of dollars, which you're going to withdraw onto your cryptocurrency wallet. So what is it worth? Well, when you go into your earn section, you're probably going to see how many JMPT you're going to earn. So if I take a look at my withdrawal, it's 0.5, and 0.5 JMPT is worth around, I would say, like $0.50 or $1. And that is how you're going to get your withdrawals. That's how you're going to actually get your crypto payments on JumpTask. So it's a completely legitimate and legal way for you to earn passively instead of having to resort to other third-party platforms where you're not sure about the security and you're not sure about some of the other, the other tasks that you're performing where you have, to push different affiliates or you're going to have to follow ads. But this platform offers you simple tasks which are going to be rewarding in themselves. So I definitely do think that JumpTask is a great way to make money, and it's an easy way to cash out very quickly as well. Not only that, but they have several different articles for support if you need more guidance on JumpTask. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content on earning money, JumpTask, and many other things as well. And if you have any questions or queries about JumpTask, then you can leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.